It sounds like you are investing for global growth here.
That's right. Yeah, I'm definitely looking for the cyclical recovery to continue. I think the synchronized global expansion, as we were talking about earlier, is absolutely in full effect, and I think you'll see that take place over the course of the next year. And I'm actually pretty optimistic. I think we're going to have a really good year in the stock market. It won't be a straight line, but we'll have some pullbacks along the way. But I think we're going to have double-digit returns again, and I'm pretty optimistic as we head into the new year.
I continue to question everybody when they say there is no inflation. But yet in my business, cost of sales is up, labor cost is up. It's more expensive to sign a lease today.
Rents are up.
So occupancy is up. And I think margins in all businesses are hurting a little bit, but business is good. So that's the other side of it. And we continue to raise our prices to our customers to overcome this. So don't tell me there's no inflation, because I know that I'm charging the customer more and everything costs me more. So
I think
I still
customers
doubt
feel that too. I mean, not just in your business or the restaurant business, but you see it everywhere. And yet, gentlemen, Chris, why isn't it reported then? Why aren't the statistics picking it up?
Well, if you look at kind of how the inflation is computed, a lot of it's going to be in rents or in housing prices. Some of it's going to be in technology, and some of it's going to be in healthcare. And we've actually seen a moderation in healthcare inflation recently. Housing prices have continued to go higher, but because interest rates are lower, the actual imputed rent or the rent-adjusted component of the CPI has remained pretty muted. So the way they measure inflation has definitely been muted, but as it starts to grow, I think that's why you'll see it within materials. I think if you get infrastructure spend, you'll see that in industrials as well, and that's why I think those cyclical sectors should do well next year, because, you know, to your point, there is price inflation. It's just happening in other parts of the economy. I think it'll flow through to the official numbers.
The price
shortly.
of a 60-inch flat screen is maybe coming down. All right?
Yeah.
For sure.
You know, it's coming down. But in lots of
Your
other...
cell phone plan.
My cell phone plan
is coming down.
is coming down. There are lots of places where it's doing the opposite of coming down.